already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Sandra, and today we're going to do another day night makeup look. I went and treated myself and got my nails done. They are so pretty. They've inspired me to do a makeup look using the Natasha Denona Lila Palette. So yes, this is like blue and purple, and kind of like teal, but I have this like sudden obsession to do something with pink and purple. So I'm going to do my eyes first because it's just going to be easier that way. If I have any fallout, I won't have to worry about my makeup. And I'm going to start by using my MAC Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot. This is kind of my go-to when it comes to a base. This is kind of like one of my main go-tos. Mine's a little bit drier, and I kind of like it that way because I don't have to set this. I just go right in with the shadow. It's not like too sticky, kind of like what I experienced with my Patrick Ta palette last weekend. So I just go right in, and this really helps to make the eye color pop because it's like a lighter shade, and I'm not really going to worry about blending it in outside of the eye because we will cover that up with other types of concealer after. Okay, so once that is on and blended out in the corner, I'm going to go in with my Lila palette. I love this palette. I got mine on sale. It is a bit pricey. It's almost $200 before the sale price, so I would highly recommend see if you can pick it up if it's on sale. These are the colors. I'm going to start with I think what we'll do, maybe we'll do cooler tone. Maybe I will start with this one over here. I was going to aim toward these two here, but I think I'll start with the cooler tone. So I'm going with an E35 tapered brush, and I'm using a very light layer here just to start the crease color. I'm putting it up a bit higher because I want the purple and the pink to kind of shine tonight, just a little bit. And then I'm going to start with an E27. This is a smaller flat blending brush, and I'm going to, I think I'm going to put on the purple first. I'm going into the purple shade, and we're going to put this on the outside corner. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is kind of blend this up just a little bit into the crease, kind of round out the outside corner a bit, and then bring it down on the lower lash line. We'll actually do that after the makeup is done. I'm going to go into this purple shade up here now, same brush, and blend it further into the crease with that color. And see, I can gently blending it out with that color. Okay, and then I'm going in with the same brush, but I'm going to turn it around and go in with the pink color. And this is going to go on the inside lid. So now what we're going to do, I think to blend out the edges a little bit more on the top, I think I'll do that when we come back after makeup, but I'm going to take the pink and maybe a little bit of my powder and see if I can just even make it a little bit more smoother. So for now, I have the Milk Makeup Hydrogrip Primer here. I'm going to smooth this onto my skin. I have already moisturized right after my shower. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put some of my Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the shade 4 Medium. I'm going to put this on my face as like almost like a base, kind of a base primer. It's going to give me a little bit of shimmer, make my skin look nice and fresh. And then I'm going to put some foundation on. So the foundation that I'm going to use tonight is the Haus Labs Triclone Skintech Foundation. And this shade, let me see if I can read it, is 260 Light Medium Cool. So I will apply it with a brush. Okay, so you can really tell how shiny my skin is, and that is from the highlighter that I put underneath. So now I'm going to take a really light powder. So I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micropowder in the shade 1 Fair. This is the lightest powder I have, I'm pretty sure. It is a finishing powder, so technically you don't use this for your entire look, but I'm going to try this today on top of this foundation. This foundation's a little dark for me. It's doing a really good job of mattifying it. And so the thing I like about doing that process is I like that it gives you the glow. So I still glowy, but I don't look shiny. And that's why I use that product underneath the foundation. And normally I would actually mix it with the foundation, but because it has a wand, you have to apply it directly to your face. But if it was like a pump, I would just mix it in with the foundation. So that is done. So next I'm going to do brows. I will do them off camera. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so brows are done. And now I'm not going to add any contour to my face because I don't want my face to get too muddy. The foundation is already a little bit darker than my chest, and I'm not going to bring the foundation like down. So I'm going to put my hair down and it's going to hide that. When I'm in a dark place, no one's going to notice that. So it's not like a big deal, but ordinarily you would take the foundation and like blend it out, right? Or make sure you have the right color of foundation. My tone is a little off. This is like my kind of spring going into summer foundation, but I really like the product itself. I actually want to try the concealer. So I'm going to do quickly. We'll apply blush, and then we're going to use some setting spray because that's going to make everything really nice. So I'm going in. I'm going to use this pink in the Bridgerton palette by McGrath. I'm going to go straight in with that pink color. I'm not going to put terribly much, but I'm going to stick to the top of the cheekbone here. But yeah, definitely no contour for me today. So I'm going to go into the lot. Like you can see, that's a lot. Kind of bracketing my eye socket, bringing it right up to the temple because it's going to be one of those like interesting looks. I'm going to do one of those interesting looks. I'm going to take a different brush and I'm going to blend that out. Okay, and then we're going to go with powder, and I'm going to go over top of that just to help it blend out a little bit more. Okay, and you can keep going until you have a nice flush, until you're satisfied with the result. And for lips, I think I'm going to use a nice light gloss. I've got this one, it's a bit more nude. It's the Patrick Ta Major Volume Plumping Gloss. And this shade, I don't even know if I can read it. Good gosh, I cannot read. I think it says 2cc, but I don't know if that's a color. But that means I'm getting old because I can't see close up. So then I'm going to go in with the shadow brush, but I'm going to use a smaller one. I'm going to use this liner brush to tap into the purple and just kind of like use this as an eyeliner on the bottom. And I'm going to stick to the outside corner. And I'm just literally, it's like the literal corner here. I'm not going to go further than the brush width. Okay, and then I think I want to keep the look pretty light. I don't want it to be like too dark. So I'm not sure if I should go into the purple on the bottom or the pink. Maybe we'll try the purple. So I'm going to use a clean brush. It's a little bit of a wider brush, going in with the purple color at the top here, and just picking up a little bit of color. And I'm just going to sweep this along the lower lashes and blend that into the purple. And then we can kind of blend it out a little bit. Okay, and then maybe I'll use that same brush to blend up here again, but I'm going to use some of that powder, and we'll go in with a touch of pink, just like a tiny bit. Okay, So it's like my complete eye is covered in shadow. Can't go any further. Can't escape this look. Okay, so then I'm going to line the upper lash line and apply some lashes and some mascara. All right, guys, that is done. One of the last steps, I guess, I'm going to do another spray is highlighter. So I did add some black liner on the waterline just to darken things up and make it look kind of smoky, kind of like a purple pink smoky look. I couldn't get this open. So we're going to add a bit of highlighter on. We'll start with the nose and the bridge of the nose. This isn't really picking up, is it? And a little bit on the cheek. Okay, and then I'll also put some underneath the eyebrow and on the inner corner. And that's it. So we'll spray the face. Okay, and then you'll notice, like, I really did the cheeks quite a bit, and I kind of blended that pink right up into the eye area. So it's kind of like meant to kind of like wrap right around the eye. So cheeks are a statement right now, and I don't know why, but I just love it so much. Although I also did my eyes, so, and my nails. My nails are just like fabulous. Sorry, I can't stop looking at them. So thank you guys so much for watching this look. I really do love this Lila palette. It is so pretty. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new, please subscribe. Click on the bell button, and I'll see you next time. Happy date night.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.